Did you know that after the age of 50, adults can lose up to 1-2 of muscle mass every year? Muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia, can lead to weakness, falls, and loss of independence. But what if I told you there's one powerful ingredient that can help seniors rebuild muscle even without exercise? In today's video, we'll reveal this natural solution backed by science and explain how it works. So, make sure you watch until the end, because this simple tip could change the way you age. Section 1: Why muscle loss happens. As we get older, our bodies naturally produce less growth hormone and testosterone, key drivers of muscle development. Additionally, reduced protein absorption and inactivity can accelerate muscle loss. Even seniors who try to stay active may find it difficult to build or maintain lean muscle. This is why finding natural ways to support muscle strength is essential for longevity, balance, and overall health. Section 2: The one ingredient. So, what's the one ingredient that researchers say can rebuild muscle without exercise? It's high-quality protein, particularly whey protein, a fast-digesting, complete protein that's rich in leucine, an amino acid scientifically proven to trigger muscle protein synthesis. Even without exercise, consuming enough leucine-rich protein signals your body to repair and build muscle tissue, helping combat age-related muscle decline. Studies published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition show that seniors who increased their protein intake, especially from whey, maintained and even gained muscle mass, even without rigorous workouts. Section 3: How to use this ingredient daily. The recommended protein intake for older adults is 1.2 to 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. Here's how you can easily add this to your diet. Morning boost. Add a scoop of whey protein to oatmeal or coffee. Smoothie power. Blend whey protein with fruits, spinach, and almond milk for a nutritious shake. Snack smart. Use Greek yogurt or cottage cheese as a high-protein snack. Protein before bed. A late evening dose of whey may help prevent overnight muscle breakdown. Tip: if you're lactose intolerant, there are lactose-free or plant-based protein powders available. Section 4: Extra nutrients for maximum impact. Protein works best when paired with other nutrients like vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, and creatine, all of which support muscle strength, joint health, and faster recovery. Before making major changes to your diet or supplement routine, it's always best to consult with your doctor, especially if you have kidney or liver issues. Conclusion and call to action. Muscle loss doesn't have to be an inevitable part of aging. By adding just one simple ingredient, high-quality protein like whey, you can rebuild strength, protect your independence, and stay active longer, even without intense workouts.